let me tell you how I seasoned it. I love to try different seasonings. So there's a store here called Sprouts, and I got some Moroccan twist. So it's a very spicy, nice little spice, and I put that on the fish. So I got this smoked sea salt, and I put that on the salmon as well. The other thing too, before you season the food, I always put some lemon on there to take that fishiness away. So let me show you my smoking machine. That is a stovetop smoker that my oldest friend, Tracy Powell, I know her as Tracy Mon, she bought this for me for my wedding present. And you use smoking chips. So I like to use the apple smoking chips. That is for like lighter stuff like maybe chicken or fish. Mesquite, you want to use that for more heavy stuff like ribs or burgers or something. So this is what the machine looks like. It has a top, and you put about maybe maybe 2 tablespoons of the smoking chips in there. Then you're going to take your fish. You're going to put it on top of your grill here. And I sprayed the grill so that it won't stick with some pan. You simply put that into your smoker, and then you close it, not all the way up, you leave a little bit here. And what you're going to end up doing is you want to light your fire, and you only want to put it to about like medium or so. You see where I have it on my thing? And you wait until you see the faintest amount of smoke coming out, and then you close it. You smoke it for, I would say like maybe 8 minutes or so, and then you check it and see. But it cooks in there, and it smokes in there, and it's got the smoky salt. This is gonna be good.
There is a reminder for the great diva whom I love and cherish.
I don't know about you guys, but I use my Google or my Amazon to help me out cooking all the time. Anyway, so now let's talk about the fish that I am smoking on my stovetop. What happens is when you do smoke using the stovetop smoker, it only allows you to smoke for about 8 to 10 minutes before the wood chips like burn out. And this is what they would look like. So once they get like this, which is about 8 to 10 minutes, if you need to continue smoking, then you're going to need to discard those and then put in some fresh wood chips. So that's what I did. And then I smoked it for like another 5 minutes. Now, I like my salmon about medium to medium well, closer to the medium side, because I think if it goes further than medium well, then it gets really, really dry. So I like mine to be nice and juicy. So now let's take a look and see what the fish looks like after smoking for the first, I did it for 8 minutes, and then I switched it out, and then I smoked it for like another 6 minutes. So let's see. Ooh, that looks really good. All right, so you can see that it is nice and done. Let's see if it's nice and flaky. Yeah, nice and flaky. And it looks like it's done. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.